In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Wix website for mobile devices, ensuring a seamless user experience for your visitors on the go. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, let's open up the Wix editor in Google Chrome. Chrome is a great browser for this task because it offers excellent compatibility with Wix, ensuring that everything runs smoothly as we make our adjustments. Once you're in the Wix editor, you'll notice all your editing tools and options on the left side of your screen, just as you would in the desktop view. Now it's time to switch to the mobile view. Why is this important, you ask? Well, mobile traffic is constantly on the rise, and having a site that looks just as good on a mobile device as it does on a desktop is crucial for engagement. To switch to mobile view in Wix, simply look for the mobile icon at the top of your editor window. Clicking this will transform your workspace into mobile view, allowing you to see exactly what mobile users will experience. With mobile view open, let's enhance navigation by adding a menu. To do that, head over to the left-hand toolbar and click on the Add button. Once there, a variety of options will unfold before you. Let's focus on adding a menu. Click on Menu, and you'll be presented with several different styles of menus that are optimized for mobile use. A popular choice here is the hamburger menu. Its compact and intuitive design is widely recognized and appreciated by users worldwide. After selecting a mobile-friendly menu style, the next step involves customizing it to fit the unique theme and branding of your site. You can adjust everything from the menu items themselves to the design elements like colors, fonts, and hover effects. It's important to ensure that your menu is easy to navigate and aligns with the look and feel of the rest of your website. Remember that consistency is key in web design, so spend some time making sure this aspect is polished. Don't rush this part. Attention to detail can make a big difference. Once you're satisfied with the look and functionality of your mobile menu, the final step is to breathe life into these changes. Click on Save to ensure that all your hard work is stored, and then Publish to make your newly optimized site available to the public. Publishing is a thrilling moment as it marks the culmination of your efforts, allowing you to deliver an enhanced mobile experience to all visitors. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to ensure your Wix site is mobile friendly and just as captivating and user friendly on a smartphone as it is on a desktop. With these steps, you're now equipped to provide your audience with easy navigation and a beautiful design, no matter how they're accessing your content.